Extract product and seller data from e-commerce website. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how the e-commerce scraper tool help you collect product and seller data automatically. First, install the e-commerce scraper tool from the Chrome Web Store. So click on Add to Chrome, add extension. So tool is in the process. Fill the basic detail and unlock free trial. So free version has been started. Now you can directly enter the product URL. So first of all, you can simply open any e-commerce website like Amazon, Flipkart, or eBay, and copy the product or search page URL and paste it into the tool. So copy the URL and paste this and select the platform, so eBay, and click on start process. You can see the tool will automatically start extracting data from the page. You can see the live progress and view all extracted data in a table. So you can see it can collect detail like product title, price, images, seller link, product detail, location, etc. Once the process is complete or stopped, the data will instantly downloaded as a CSV or a Excel file. You can use this data for product research, price comparison, competitor analysis, e-commerce business growth. That's it. Simple, fast, and completely automated. Thanks for watching.